What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to install a high flow air filter on my Mk7 GTI and see if I can feel any difference or see if there is any difference. Alrighty, so this is a stage 1 MA performance tuned through Cobb. So there is no real hardware changes. The only thing that's different is I have a muffler delete on the back, and I have cut out this little air inlet for the filter. So those are the only hardware modifications besides the tune, and I'm going to install this air filter and see if it makes any difference. I'm going to use a Torx T25, and this is on an impact driver. I'm going to go ahead and just use all these adapters because I really don't want to do it by hand, but there's a bunch of little bolts here, two guys hidden back there and right there, and just go ahead and pop all these off and you'll get access to the filter. All right, after unscrewing all of these guys, they actually are the type that stay in, so you can't unscrew it too far and lose them. So these, no matter how far you screw them, they'll stop at a certain point, which is really nice. And then I unplugged this little intake, secondary air intake hose. I unplugged it. You just squeeze these two guys and pull outwards and it slides right off. Now I'm going to grab the old filter, and this is kind of dirty, right? So this has a few miles on it. You have a stock GTI, you'll have something like this in there. The exact orientation might be different, but you'll have this. They call it the snow grate. Apparently it's to help keep snow from getting in your intake. I'm not sure how it would even get in there unless you're shoving snow into your thing. So this is going to be gone, garbage. You don't need this. While you're in here, go ahead and you might have a bunch of leaves and stuff and vacuum them out. If you don't have any leaves, you might have dust guys hanging out in here. So go ahead and wipe them down and try to make it as clean as you can. It's just a good practice to clean these things when you're in here. Here's the air filter I got. I got it on eBay. It was about 25 bucks or so. Pretty inexpensive compared to Canon. It had pretty good reviews. People said they work just as well, and I've actually used this on my old FRS, and it held up really well. So I'm going to use this again on this car, and at least until I get a whole intake set up. Definitely much quicker to spool. It felt really powerful, and I mean, just for a little stage 1. And I mean, I've been driving this thing quite a bit, and it seems to be a noticeable, I'd say at least 10-15 horsepower. Now obviously I don't have a dyno, and it's kind of butt dyno, but I mean, it feels really good, and you can definitely hear more of that spool. I'm not sure how great you'll be able to hear it through, you know, the wind or being outside, but I'm gonna get a couple more sound clips for you guys, and hopefully you can kind of get an idea of whether this is worth it for you. But for the 20, it was like 23, 25 bucks I spent to get this thing shipped to my house and installed in a couple minutes, I mean, it definitely beats having a like couple $100 intake.